In the bustling world of finance management, accuracy, organization, and timely execution are not just buzzwords. They are the bedrock of success. Whether you're managing a complex portfolio, overseeing departmental budgets, or tracking project expenditures, the need for a robust system to keep everything aligned is paramount. This is where tools designed for task and project management come into play, and one name that frequently surfaces is ClickUp. So, from the lens of a finance management expert, let's unpack the question. What is ClickUp? At its core, ClickUp is a versatile work management platform designed to help teams organize, plan, track, and collaborate on virtually any type of project or task. While it's widely known for its general project management capabilities, its adaptability makes it a surprisingly powerful ally for finance professionals. Think of it less as a niche finance application and more as a highly configurable digital workspace that can be tailored to meet the exacting demands of financial operations. Unlike traditional accounting software or dedicated financial planning tools, ClickUp's strength lies in its flexibility and interconnectedness. It's not about crunching numbers directly in the way a spreadsheet or an ERP system would. Instead, ClickUp excels at managing the processes and tasks surrounding those financial activities. Let's break down how this translates into practical benefits for finance management. 1. Budget tracking and expense management. Imagine a project with a defined budget. Within ClickUp, you can create a space or folder for a specific project. Each task within that project can represent a line item in your budget. You can then use custom fields to track. Allocated budget, a numerical custom field for the initial budget for that task or expense category. Actual spend, another numerical custom field to log real-time expenditures. Variance, a formulaic custom field can automatically calculate the difference between allocated and actual, highlighting overruns or underspends immediately. Receipt attachments, attach scans of receipts or invoices directly to tasks for easy auditing and record keeping. This granular approach allows you to see at a glance where your money is going and whether you're adhering to your financial plans. 2. Financial reporting and audit preparation. While ClickUp doesn't generate complex financial statements, it can be an invaluable tool for preparing the data that feeds into them. Task management for reporting cycles. Set up recurring tasks for monthly, quarterly, or annual financial reporting. Assign these tasks to specific team members and track their progress. Documentation hub. Centralize all supporting documentation for financial reports within ClickUp. This could include links to external financial systems, internal memos, or relevant policy documents. Audit trail. Every action taken on a task in ClickUp, status changes, comments, attachments, is recorded, creating a detailed audit trail. This is incredibly useful during internal or external audits, as it provides a clear history of how tasks related to financial data were handled. 3. Invoice and accounts payable/receivable workflow. Finance departments deal with a constant flow of invoices. ClickUp can streamline these processes. Invoice approval workflows. Create a list specifically for incoming invoices. Use custom statuses like received, awaiting approval, approved, paid, and archived. Automate notifications to relevant approvers when an invoice status changes. Payment tracking. Set up tasks for outgoing payments with due dates and assignee. This helps ensure timely payments and avoids late fees. Accounts receivable monitoring. Create tasks for outstanding invoices with due dates. Assign reminders to follow up on overdue payments, improving cash flow. 4. Project costing and profitability analysis. For projects with specific financial objectives, ClickUp can help track costs against revenue. Time tracking. Integrate ClickUp's native time tracking or third-party integrations to accurately log hours spent on billable projects. This directly impacts labor cost calculations. Resource allocation. Visually allocate team members, resources, to tasks, understanding potential labor costs associated with different project phases. Custom fields for revenue. Add custom fields to track projected revenue for project tasks, allowing for simple profitability calculations within the platform. 5. Compliance and risk management documentation. In finance, Compliance is non-negotiable. ClickUp can help manage the documentation and processes related to regulatory requirements. Policy and Procedure Repository. Store and manage internal financial policies and procedures within ClickUp documents or tasks. Compliance checklists. Create detailed checklists for compliance requirements, ensuring all necessary steps are taken and documented. Risk registers. Use ClickUp to build simple risk registers, identifying potential financial risks, their likelihood, impact, and mitigation strategies.